Hello, dear Zhang. Hi.
Hello,
Hello.
hello,
Happy Friday.
yeah,
And welcome to our first class together. How are you?
I'm fine. How are
Oh,
you?
yes, I'm good. Thank you for asking. What did you do before our class?
Mm, I what watching TV.
Oh, I see. Okay. And what do you plan to do after our class?
Mm, I sleep.
Okay, that is so nice and comfortable. Okay. Okay, my dear. Before this, let me share this one. Okay, here.
Cuộc họp Zoom sẽ tự động kết thúc sau 30 phút, vì vậy chúng ta cần thoát ra và tham gia lại để tiếp tục. Được
Uh,
chứ?
Mm,
okay, my dear. Is that okay? Okay.
yeah.
Now let's continue where we left off last time. We talked about where.
Where do you live?
Okay. Do you remember what are the rooms in your house? Okay, please, can you tell me?
Kitchen, living room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom. Uh, Garage,
Garage.
garage,
Okay.
garden, uh, balcony,
Yes, okay. And what is your favorite room?
uh, bedroom. I like bedrooms.
Okay, yes. And why?
I sleep. I
Okay.
can sleep.
Yes, you can sleep all you want in the bedroom. Okay. Okay, my dear, let's continue. We have here pictures of the rooms in your house. Okay, so let's try to describe this one.
Kitchen.
Okay, this is kitchen. Now let's describe it more. Okay, you can say the picture shows a kitchen. Okay, you can add more description, my dear.
The picture show a kitchen.
What can you see in the kitchen? Or what can you see in the picture?
I I see three
Yes,
uh
okay.
table and chair.
Yes, there is a small, we can say a small tree. What
Small
else?
tree.
What else?
Table.
Yes, a table.
Chair.
Yes, how many chairs?
Three.
Okay, three chairs. What else?
Lamp. Lamp. Two lamp.
What is it, my dear? Two lamps. Yes, two lamps. What else?
Bread.
A fridge. This one?
Use.
This one?
Like là
Do you remember what it's called? Okay, can it a fridge?
a fridge.
Yes. What else?
Chop. Chopstick. Ano.
Okay, how about this one?
Flower.
Yes, my dear.
Flower.
Okay.
Flower.
Can you spell it? Okay. Here we could say bread.
Bread.
Yes, bread. And how about the color of the entire kitchen? The paint.
Chờ cô tí, cô đang học. Cô đang học, chờ cô tí. I don't.
Okay, okay, teacher will help you. Okay, we can say, and the whole kitchen is painted white. Okay, the color of the kitchen is white. Okay, my dear, let's try to read our sentences. Can you see it? Oh, no. Okay, let's hear it. The picture shows.
The picture shows a kitchen. There is small chair, a table, 3 chairs, 2 lamps, 3 lights,
A fridge.
Bread, and the whole kitchen is painted white.
Okay. Here, there is small tree, a table, 3 chairs, 2 lamps, a fridge, bread, and the whole kitchen is painted white. Okay, my dear, you try one more time.
The picture shows a kitchen. There is a small tree, a table, 3 chairs, 2 lamps, a fridge, bread, and the whole kitchen is painted white.
Okay, very good. Now let's try to erase our notes and try it if you remember our sentences.
The
picture shows.
The picture shows a kitchen. There is a small tree, 2 glass, 3 small cheese, 3 chairs, 2 glass, a green bread, and the
whole kitchen
painted white.
Very good. Okay, good job, my dear. Okay. Now let's go to here. What is this?
Living room.
Another room, the other room. This is where we eat our food. Do you remember it? It's the dining
room.
Okay, dining room. Now let's try to describe it again. Okay, the picture shows a dining room. Okay, what else?
Window.
Okay, it has wide windows. What else?
It's
Okay, my dear. Can you type it, my dear, in the chat back here?
Chair.
You can type it here.
You can type it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what else can you see?
A table.
Yes, a table. Okay, let's add this up. A table. What else?
8 chair.
Yes, how many chairs?
8 chair.
Yes, 8 chairs. What else?
Flower.
Yes,
Love.
a flower vase in the center of the table. How about the color of the dining room?
Painted white
Okay.
and black.
Okay, the dining room is painted white. How about the floor? What is the color of the floor?
Green.
Okay.
Yellow.
Or you mean brown? Okay, here. This one, the floor, okay, is painted brown. Okay, let's add this up. The dining room is painted white while the floor is brown. Okay, my dear, let's try to read again our sentences. Okay, can you see it?
The picture of dining room. It has wide window, a table, a chair, a flower vase in the center of the table. The dining room is painted white, while the floor is brown.
Yes, while the floor is brown. Okay, one more time.
The picture shows the dining room. It has wide window, a table, a chair, a flower vase in the center of the table. The dining room is painted white, while the floor is brown.
Okay, now let's try to erase it again and see if you remember it.
The picture shows a dining room. There is a wide window, a table, a chair in the center of dining room. The dining room painted
The dining room is painted white while okay. Hello, my dear, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay,
the
okay. I can hear you now. Okay. Okay, my dear, good job. This is your dining room. Okay. Now let's go here. Let's add another words for our vocabulary. Okay, first word.
Light.
light.
Okay,
Light.
what does it mean?
Light having a lot of natural light.
Okay. For example, our sample sentence.
My apartment is light and very light.
Okay. Can you use the word light in your own sentence, please? Okay, make your own sentence, please, using the word light.
My apartment is light and very light.
Okay. How about your own sentence? Okay, you read. Okay, try to make your own sentence using the word Light. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Okay, my dear, you can do it.
My bathroom is very light.
Okay, yes. Your bathroom is very light. Okay, good job. Next word.
Dark.
Dark. Having window or no light.
Okay. Example sentence.
My house is very dark in winter.
Okay, very good. Like this one in the picture, it's very dark. Okay, no light. Dark. Okay, you try again. Use the word dark in your own sentence.
My house is very dark in winter.
Okay, your own sentence. How about your own sentence? Use the word dark in your own sentence.
The street is no dark.
Okay. Okay, my dear, please. Can you repeat it?
The street is very dark.
Okay. Can you type it, my dear? Can you type it in the chat box? Okay, please type it.
Modern.
Morning. Morning is the reason of present time using new design or technology. Morning workers sometimes
Struggle
struggle
with Shakespeare's language.
with their language.
Okay, modern readers. Okay, we can say also cell phone is a modern technology. Okay, laptop or cell phones or any gadget. Okay, is a modern technology. Okay, how about my dear? Make your own sentence using the word modern.
Robot is modern.
Again, my dear, please.
Robot.
Robots, yes.
Robot is very funny.
Yes, robot is very modern, right? Yes, robot. Okay, very good. Next word.
Old.
Oh, having is excited for
A long time. Existed.
existed
Okay.
for a long time.
Yes. For example, sample sentence.
This house is very
Okay. How about your own sentence?
robot is old. Is very
Yes.
old.
Okay, very good. Okay, good job. Next.
Large.
Large.
Okay. What does it mean?
Large is inside the mouth.
Etc. Etc.
Picture.
Okay, my dear, this is etc. Okay, it means and others. Okay, this is what it means. Etc. means and others. Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, now our sample sentence.
We have a very large family.
Okay, now it's your turn. What is your sentence using the word large?
My living room is very large.
That's very good. Okay, good job. Next.
Small.
Small. Small, not large, inside a mouth. Picture.
Okay, very good.
I live in a small, quiet town.
Okay, now let's use it in your own sentence.
The book is small.
Okay, very good. Next.
Cold.
Oh,
What does it
so
mean?
having low
Temperature.
temperature.
Okay, having a low temperature.
Temperature.
Okay, temperature. Okay, our sample sentence.
It's cold, so she wearing clothes.
Okay, very good. And your sentence?
The window is cold. The winter is cold.
Okay, very good. Or you can say the air that flows in my room is cold. Okay, very good. Next word.
Damp.
Then slightly wet. Especially in a unpleasant or uncomfortable way.
Yeah, okay. Our sample sentence.
My house isn't cold again.
Okay. Damp is slightly wet. Okay. Now, can you try to use it in your own sentence?
Then I don't know.
Okay, I will help you. For example, you have, I don't have here. You have your towel. Do you know the towel? Okay, here, let's use this one. Here. Towel.
Cái khăn lau.
Okay, your towel. I use my towel after taking a bath. My towel is damp. Okay, my towel, let's just. I use my towel after taking a bath. Okay, my towel gets damp. Okay, damp. Slightly wet. Okay, that's good. Okay, my dear, good job. Now let's go to... Oh, you have to tell me if the word is positive or negative. Positive or negative. Okay, let's try it. You can say light is positive.
Yeah.
How about, okay.
Dark is okay.
Yes, negative. Dark is negative. Next.
Modern is positive.
Very good.
O is negative.
Okay, good job. Okay.
Small is
Correct.
Cold is cold.
Okay, and
We got another
okay. Yes, very good. Now let's go. Let's continue. Oh, let's learn more vocabulary. Okay. This picture is,
on the coast.
yes, on the coast. It has sea and land. Okay, water and land on the coast. Next,
In a valley.
in a valley. Okay, valley, mountains, and flat area and mountains again. Okay, in a valley. Next.
By right.
Okay, by a river. This is a river. Next.
In the city center.
Okay, buildings, vehicles, cars. Okay, in the city center. Next.
In the countryside.
Okay, in the countryside. So peaceful, nature, animals. Okay. Next.
In the
Suburbs.
spot.
Okay, let's hear it. Suburbs. Sub.
Suburbs. Suburbs.
Seven.
Again, my dear.
Seven.
Again, please.
Seven. Seven.
Okay, suburbs. Okay, very good. Okay, now you have to tell me what is the name of this place. Again, what is this?
On the coast.
Very good. Okay, you try. Let's try to describe this. Okay, the picture shows a place on the coast. Okay, what can you see in the picture?
I can when see.
Okay, see? Or do you mean C-I? There is a sea, right? Okay, what else?
Tree.
Trees. Okay,
House.
yes, houses. Okay. Okay, my dear, let's read this one. Picture shows.
The picture show is seen on the coast. There is sea, tree, house.
Okay, very good. Oh, my dear, it's 30 minutes now, so we have to exit and rejoin. Okay?